Welcome back to Auto Empire USA, the channel where power, performance, and pure American engineering always take center stage. Today we're diving into something wild, something unexpected, and honestly something that feels almost illegal on the streets, a machine that turns a simple compact car into a roaring beast. This is the Dodge Dart Hellcat, a luxury performance build that takes the everyday Dart and injects it with Hellcat DNA. So sit tight because what you're about to hear is going to make you rethink everything you know about the Dart. When people hear the name Dodge Dart, they usually think of a practical, affordable compact car. But when you add the word Hellcat to it, everything changes. We're talking about a transformation that pushes boundaries way past the factory limits. Imagine taking the heart of a Challenger Hellcat and swapping it into a lightweight Dart body. That means massive horsepower, brutal acceleration, and a driving experience that's nothing short of insane. The moment you turn the key, you know this isn't a regular Dart. The rumble gives it away long before you press the gas. Under the hood, the Dodge Dart Hellcat build typically carries the 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8 engine, the same engine that made the Hellcat legend famous. We're talking 707 horsepower or even more depending on tuning. That's more power than some exotic supercars. And remember, this power is tucked inside a compact frame, so the power-weight ratio becomes absolutely ridiculous. When you step on the accelerator, the Dart doesn't just move, it launches. It pulls you back into your seat with the kind of force that makes you laugh and scream at the same time. It's raw, it's loud, and it's made for drivers who love crazy performance. But this build isn't only about power. Because this version is a luxury build, you also get premium interior touches that upgrade the driving experience. Think handcrafted leather seats, detailed stitching, a modern performance dashboard, and custom lighting that gives the cabin a more high-end feel. Some builds even include Alcantara trim, high-quality sound systems, and digital cluster upgrades that match the performance look. It turns the Dart from a simple compact into a stylish high-performance luxury ride. On the exterior, the Dodge Dart Hellcat build always stands out. Widebody kits, aggressive bumpers, larger air intakes, custom hoods with heat extractors, and bigger wheels give it that muscle car attitude. Some people go with matte black, others prefer loud colors like Hellcat red or electric blue. Whatever the style, it demands attention. And it should, because the sound alone will turn heads. When this thing revs, everyone around knows something serious is coming. Driving the Dodge Dart Hellcat luxury build is an experience you don't forget. The steering feels sharper, the suspension stiffer, and the brakes bigger to handle the power. But what really stands out is how light the Dart feels when combined with Hellcat power. It almost feels unfair. You're basically piloting a pocket rocket with a monster engine. Whether you're cruising around town or launching down the highway, the Dart Hellcat gives you that thrill that only a true performance machine can deliver. Now let's talk about price. Since this isn't an official Dodge production car and is usually a custom build, prices vary a lot. A full Hellcat engine swap with luxury interior upgrades and exterior modifications can range anywhere from $35,000 on the low end to over $80,000 depending on parts, labor, and customization. Some unique builds go even higher, especially when using brand new Hellcat engines or premium leather interiors. Compared to factory Hellcat models, this is actually an affordable way to get insane power in a lighter body with a unique luxury twist. No two Dart Hellcats are exactly the same, and that's part of the appeal. So who is this car for? It's for someone who wants something different, something rare, and something that brings shock value everywhere it goes. It's for someone who wants luxury but refuses to give up raw American horsepower. And most importantly, it's for drivers who understand that sometimes the craziest ideas create the most legendary machines.